3 rods out and was like, first one, boom, was like, oh, and ripped off.
Yeah.
Then the second one, boom. And then the third one. All in 3 seconds.
Oh.
There's bubbles going.
Wait, left side.
You like it today, Spa? We got the eyelash tinted there. Oh, you got the beard making over here. And the foot spa. Oh, very good foot spa. Now lay back for the cucumber.
There's the fire. There's us. There's the beach. There's our husband out there fishing. Here's Anne-Marie with the hose.
Firefighter.
And there's Juice. She's going to live with Anne-Marie.
He's filming it on his phone. We can't get it.
That's your golden brown damper here, ladies and gentlemen. Fresh cut, fresh from the calf oven. You can hear the crust. You can see the tenderness there. Imagine that with a bit of butter in there and a lovely dollop of honey on it. Yum.
Tonight we are having Bludger Trevally, cooked by and caught by Sebastian from Germany. Then we have pasta bake with tomato and mushroom, a green salad and parrotfish. And is it just parrotfish? Parrotfish crumbed by Mitchy mud crab. Delicious! And everybody's ready to eat.
Yes.
Yeah.
Coming up behind in the boat with 2 people is still following back on the rails. Look like they're breaking down a little bit with 2 people in the back of the boat. But it's still Mitchy mud crab, Mitchy mud crab, Mitchy mud crab's catching up to Sebastian, Mitchy, Sebastian. It's gonna be close, folks, as we come down to the last 200 metre mark now. Mitchy mud crab's coming in with the boat at full speed. I'd say they're probably doing about 14 knots as the waves come out the side and the whitewash behind them highlights the whales. But it's Mitchy mud crab, Sebastian. 2 people in the boat behind. They're out of it, folks. They're out of it. They're not going to make it here. It's going to be Mitchy mud crab or Sebastian. And Mitchy mud crab, Sebastian. It's a close one. I'd put me money on Sebastian if I was a betting man.
MasterChef camp version. Make sure I'm not going to get any holes in the
Tonight we're having potato bake.
potato bake, wood fires for that extra flavour. You know, you
And
just,
fish and salad will come later.
you just get that real delicious texture with the wood fired potato bake. Pause for effect. Nearly.
Bludger Trevally, aka sea chicken, a delicious salad, some
Curry
whacked
coconut
out
rice.
curry coconut rice, barramundi cod, apparently it's quite rare, cannot be kept in Queensland, and a coral trout.